Okay guys, so we left off last with getting the seats out, and that's as far as we got really, was getting the seats out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean this whole interior out. I'm gonna time lapse that, and then I'm gonna start pulling everything else. That's probably also gonna be on the time lapse. Probably stop and show you guys a few things. This stuff is not giving me too much confidence when I see stuff like this. Like old bearing for what, you know? Maybe someone's had a go at starting this motor and it makes all kinds of noises or something, and yeah, not a good sign overall. I'm hoping this motor's okay and it's not hurt. If it is hurt, then we will see what we do from there. Maybe try to get another motor, or you know, but yeah, we're gonna just get into it. I'll start the time lapse. Okay, so I had a bit of a fail with the time warp, but a little cleaner. Sorry about the lighting. It's kind of hard to light up this interior. But now I'm gonna start pulling the dash, and then once the dash is out, then we'll transition to the engine and see if we can do anything about getting it started. So gonna carry on here. But yeah, I mean, actually the carpet isn't in horrible shape. It's not horrible. I feel like I can do some vacuuming, some more vacuuming, give it a really good deep treatment, and shouldn't come out that bad. Let's go to the other side. Need some more light in here. But as you can see, it's not really that bad. Not really. Like that used to be all grass and it just all came right up. So we'll see what happens after I pull this dash out and get this carpet out. We'll try to treat it, I guess, and see what happens. Andrew showed up. We got the dash out. Dash is out now. So I'm gonna vacuum up a little bit more. I don't know what all this aftermarket wiring is. Like, what the hell is this? And just gonna clean up, take inventory, put the steering wheel back on. And yeah, and then I'm gonna transition to the engine now and see about getting it running. See, hopefully it runs. We don't know if it runs. So here we go. Scratch that. We're not gonna get onto the engine. We're gonna remove the carpet first. I just want to get all the interior stuff out of the way, so I don't have to look at it. But yeah, so gonna time lapse, get the carpet out. Here we go. We got the rear carpet out. It was a bit of a pain. It was just really not knowing what we were doing, you know, trying to get the rear carpet out. But now that the rear carpet's out, I need to take out the front carpet as well, which is gonna be quite difficult because from what I saw, the front carpet actually goes all the way under the HVAC unit. So I'm gonna have to take this whole bar out and pull the HVAC unit and then slip the carpet out from underneath it. So we're gonna get started. We almost have the crossbar out. Andrew just needs to disconnect the fuse box from that side and we can pull the crossbar out, and then we'll lift the HVAC unit out of the way and pull the front carpet out. Yeah, this is not too bad, not too bad. But yeah, I need to pull this carpet out. There's a lot of water under it, and it's gonna be musty if I don't take it out now. not that big of a deal though. Okay, so you gotta like feed the fuse box through the dash piece. You see? Okay. So in order to do this, we need to at least loosen up the HVAC unit. So we pulled that cover off and there's no real way to do it there. What we have to do is we're gonna take off this cowl piece right here. And then once we take the cowl piece off, we're gonna access the HVAC from the back side. There's four, I think 8mm nuts there. We're gonna take them off and then we're gonna try to lift the HVAC unit up as high as we can so we can pop the, so we can pull the carpet off from under it. It'll also help a lot when we reinstall the carpet. So this should give us access to the four 8mm on the back of the HVAC unit now. Now I remember why I fell over the corner. Once you get it loose, you can stick your hand in there. And you're just gonna take it. Give it a little tug. We got that one 10mm right there for the heater core. I'm just gonna go ahead and disconnect it, and then I think the whole unit will slide forward and out, and I guess it'll be better, give me a chance to clean it out. The window's been open for who knows how long, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Alright. Okay, so expansion valve is disconnected. Give it a tug. Is it looser? Yeah, that's a lot looser, but it's that heater core, I think, right? How do you remove this? Just one bolt and then the left. Oh my god. Alright, take it on your side. Okay, that HVAC unit's coming out. It is yuck. Like, look at that. That's nasty. This carpet. Similar story. Just yuck. The foam was so weak that when we were tugging on it, it just split. Which is fine. This is stuff no one's gonna see. This, on the other hand, let's see if we can clean it up. I don't know. We might just end up using the carpet from my donor car. But yeah, that was a lot of work. Okay.